Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, the Sujata Show. Today I will make a different and classy dessert, Sewai Shrikhand. It looks classy, so it does not mean it's hard to cook. Okay, so let's start it. I use these ingredients to make the Sewai Shrikhand. First I will make a Sewai cup. So I put butter in the pan and put 250 grams of sevai and mix it well with butter. I'm roasting sevai on medium-low flame till it becomes golden brown in color. Keep on stirring so that it gets evenly roasted and it will become golden brown. You can see the sevai has become golden brown. I'm going to mix 2 tablespoons of water on it so it will be softened. Now switch off the flame and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. And mix it until well combined or even mixed it. Sevai mixer is ready. Before making cups, keep it aside to get our mixer warm, but not cold. Just be careful. To make sevai cup, I have used non-stick muffin pan. I greased this with butter so it will not stick on it. I put sevai mixer in the pan and spread it and press the bottom on it lightly so it takes the shape of cup or a small bowl, you can say. Yeah, one thing you have to careful about this, it should be warm. If it's cold, you cannot make a shape. So if it's warm, you can make any shape, so just be careful it's not cold. And repeat the same process for the rest of the sevai mixer and keep all of these in the refrigerator for an hour to set up. To make srikhanda, I have 1 cup hung yogurt. I have 6 to 7 tablespoons sugar, finely chopped pistachio, kesar mixed with little milk, and cardamom powder. Going to beat slowly till everything mixed properly. I'm going to keep aside in the refrigerator for an hour so it will become light and creamy. After an hour, take out all the sevai cup from the pan and see how it looks. Srikhand is ready, so fill the srikhand into the sevai cups. I want to garnish the Sewai Shrikhand with green and red something. So going to garnish with some pistachio so it looks greeny on the white Shrikhand. Lastly, decorate it with some red grapes on the top of it. So it looks white, green, red, and you can see how beautiful it looks. And this dish is really healthy, delicious, and overall like 10 of the 10. So you should try this dish and let me know how it was. Thank you all for watching my video, and you should try this dish. This looks like complicated, but it's not, believe me. And if you have any questions, just ask on the comment box and let me know how it was. And at the last, if you like my recipe, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.